here today. But sometimes I don't always feel glad, just like you. Sometimes I feel angry or frustrated, sad or lonely. These are all things that we feel. Let me tell you what I do about it. If you're angry and you know it, blow it out. If you're angry and you know it, blow it out. If you're angry and you know it, make peace and show it. If you're angry and you know it, blow it out. Try it with me. Let's blow it out. Good. If you're angry and you know it, walk away. Goodbye. If you're angry and you know it, walk away. Goodbye. If you're angry and you know it, make peace when you show it. If you're angry and you know it, walk away. Goodbye. Sometimes it's okay to just walk away when you feel really angry. Go find a safe space in your house or somewhere else. Let's try another one. If you're angry and you know it, tell someone, I'm angry. If you're angry and you know it, tell someone, I'm angry. If you're angry and you know it, make peace when you show it. If you're angry and you know it, tell someone, I'm angry. You have feelings every day. It's all right and it's okay. You can let those feelings show. Use your words, let someone know. You have feelings every day. It's all right and it's okay. When you're angry, you can choose. What's the best thing you can do? It's my no day. We all have those days. Yesterday I woke up and Bob was crawling around my room licking my jewelry. Get out of my room, I shouted. And that was the start of my no day. I came downstairs and saw that egg, and I cried and I said, I can't eat that. After the terrible egg, I didn't like my shoes, so I took them off all by myself, shouting, no shoes. And then we had to go shopping, and Mommy said, please stop wriggling. But I couldn't stop wriggling, and I shouted, get me out. At lunchtime, Sasha and her mom came to play and have some grapes and cookies, but I couldn't play nicely. No, you can't be princesses. And in the end, Sasha had to go home. In the afternoon, my ballet lesson, I said, ballet, it's too itchy. On the way home, I met a lady who lives next door. She said, how's Bella? And I was a long way behind, and I had to shout, I have a hurting foot. It was time for my dinner and my bath, but the peas were too hot, and our bath was too cold, and I was too wet, and the toothpaste was too minty. And after that, I rolled and said, no bed, no bed, no. And I rolled into Bob's room and said, bed is for babies. And then I yawned, and I crawled into my room, and Mom said, who wants a story? And I said, nobody. But she came to my room anyway, and we cuddled up and had a nice story about fairies and cake. And I yawned and said, today was a bad day, Mommy. I'm sorry. And she said, I know, we all have those days sometimes. Perhaps you'll be more cheerful tomorrow. And I was, all day long. I hope you like this story. Now, I want you to do a little bit more listening today. I want you to think about the mood of the song. When I hear that song, it makes me think angry. Angry. Let's try another one. annoyed. And the last song. The last song makes me feel a little sad and a little lonely. But you know what? Even when I feel that way, I can try to turn my day around.